it's Elliot, and I'm going to be showing you how to make an airsoft grenade, and it's really easy. And it may not work the best, but it's still fun to have and fun to use. So I'm going to show you by steps. So first you get a ping pong ball, and then you get a knife. And then you kind of want to make like a little hole in it, like that. Okay? And then you want to take, like, big enough where you can put a firecracker in it and BBs. Okay? And then you want to take BBs. Don't use your, like, really strong BBs. Use your weakest BBs that you have, or the crappiest ones. And you kind of just want to dump them in there. At first, just do it like one by one, like that. Yeah, so like that. And this is the how to make, and then I will be showing you a test video later. So you just put them all in there. Sorry, I'm kind of blocking it. So remember, don't use your really good BBs. Okay, so I probably filled it up to like right about here. Like right about here. So there's still some room for a firecracker. So after, when you made the hole, put the BBs in. Then you want to take a firecracker. So I took this off of like when there was like, I think there was 12 of them all together. So I just cut off part of the wick, and I took off one of the firecrackers. So that's why it looks kind of crappy, the wick, but it's alright. And then you want to place it in there, and then you kind of want to tape it in there. And it doesn't have to be perfect, the tape job. So after you tape it, cut the hole, put the BBs in. So step 1, cut a hole in the ping pong ball. Step 2, put BBs in it. Step 3, put firecracker in it. And make sure you're safe with the long wick. And then after that, tape it in there, and then light it, and then run. And that's how you make an airsoft grenade. So yeah, I will be showing you a test video later. I'll show you, hopefully with Dylan. But yeah, so this is how to make airsoft grenade. And if you want, you could color it green or whatever color you want. Make the lines like a real grenade. So that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, so see you in the next video. Bye.